Assalamu alaikum dear students. The topic which we are going to start is about Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. Dear students, in 1945 in Britain, Labour Party came into power. So Labour Party, noticing that the increasing political restlessness in India, so the British Prime Minister Lord Attlee sent a cabinet mission to India, and this mission had two basic purposes. What were the purposes of that mission? The first purpose was to determine the constitutional states of India and the form of the government. The first purpose is the formation of government. The second purpose was to bridge up the gap between the Muslims and the Hindus, like between the Muslim League and Hindus Congress, and tried to convince the Muslims to live in the United India. United India means Muslims deny the demand for the separate homeland and live in the subcontinent with Hindus as United India. But the general elections proved that. You know that what was the result of general election? Muslim leagues won the majority of the seats. So the general elections proved that it was quite impossible. The commission consisted of three ministers: Sir Stafford Cripps, Mr. A.V. Alexander, and Lord Patrick Lawrence. So all the members belonged to British cabinet. It was called Cabinet Mission. Cabinet Mission or Cabinet Ministers talks with different political leaders, mainly Muslim Leagues and Congress. The members of the Cabinet Mission held talks with different political leaders in the subcontinent. They exchanged their views with governors, chief ministers, and different political leaders. They found the views of Governor General too. Both major parties, Muslim League and Congress, had clear viewpoints. Muslim League declared that the only solution to the issues was the partition of the subcontinent and creation of Pakistan. So on the other hand, Congress, basis of single nation, strongly opposed any type of partition in the South Asia. It negated the two nation theory and denied the idea of Pakistan harshly. But Quaid-e-Azam responded the Muslim League is striving for the protection of the rights of Muslims, and it wants to resolve the constitutional issues on the basis of two nation theory. So students, during the dialogue with Cabinet Mission, Quaid-e-Azam said the subcontinent is neither a country nor it is a homeland of a single nation. The Muslims are a nation too, with separate identity that has all the right to decide the future of its own, so that the cabinet mission was totally failed.